Well, Cyclone Montha just made its mark. From winds tearing roofs to waves charging the shore, this storm didn't play by the rules. In the next 3 minutes, let's break down what went down, why it matters, and what it means for India's weather game. Strap in because this is Mother Nature Unplugged. So, as you all know, that Cyclone Montha has made a landfall in Andhra Pradesh, that is the eastern coast of India, and has brought heavy rains, strong winds, and widespread damage on the eastern coast and in states like Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Odisha. Now, this cyclone originated over west central Bay of Bengal. As you all can see that this is Bay of Bengal, and from here the cyclone originated. Now, the word Montha means, it is a Thai word and it means a beautiful or fragrant flower. This name was given by Thailand. Now a question comes that how can Thailand give this name? Well, World Meteorological Organization, Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific, and the Panel for Tropical Cyclone, it is an intergovernmental body where many countries are its members, and it was formed in 1972, that takes care of the names of the cyclones of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. As you all can see, Bangladesh, India, Iran, Maldives, Myanmar, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, UAE, all of these countries are its members. In 2020, each country gave 13 names, and from that list of 13 names, whenever a cyclone comes, one by the other, the name is allotted. Now, how are cyclones formed? So, cyclones are formed in an area of low pressure. When winds start moving in a very high speed, spirally in a circular motion, and they pick up water from the ocean, then a cyclone is formed. So, this cyclone revolves anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. So, this is all that you need to know about Cyclone Montha. And now you have to tell me in the comment section down below that what are cyclones known as in China and in America. And if you want to learn more in a very easy manner and ace your CLAT preparation, join in and stay tuned with Madam H. Thank you so much.